Your body stopped losing weight. Here's the solution. The weight loss journey is subject to many fluctuations that must be adapted to. Perhaps one of the most important is the problem of point of stability weight during and after weight loss. It may lead to a great sense of despair and frustration that prevents you from pursuing your goal for the ideal weight. In this article, we learn about the most prominent habits that struggle with weight stability. Muscle increase for weight loss. When losing weight, we not only lose stored fat but the body loses a large mass of muscle, resulting in difficulty losing weight and its stability because the muscle is responsible for burning calories. The importance of muscle in its ability to burn more calories throughout the day, even during sleep and periods of rest such as sitting at the desk. Muscle loss means that the rate of calorie burning slows down, which reduces weight loss or leads to weight stability. Strength exercises are very important for weight loss, but some people are committed to doing only carb-do exercises. They burn a lot of calories in a few movements. They don't want to build muscles, but building those muscles is what burns more fat. And it gets you out of weight stability. Resistance exercises promote the retention of muscle mass in the body. Exercises, which is the primary factor that leads to burning calories during activity and rest, resistance, include push-ups, squats, etc. Eating protein. The most important step to get rid of weight stability is to take a high amount of protein daily to protect the body from muscle mass loss and increases the rate of calorie burning. Protein stimulates metabolism and calorie burning more than carbohydrates and fat because of what is known as a thermal effect. Protein digestion increases calorie burning by 20 to 30%, which is more than twice as much as the body needs to digest fat and carbohydrates. Protein intake also stimulates some hormones that help feel full. At least 50 grams of protein per day should be obtained by eating meat, fish, chicken, eggs, or plant-based protein sources, and distributed throughout the day to stimulate metabolism, so an amount of protein should be consumed with each meal. Stress hampers weight loss. Some may not find a direct correlation between stress and weight stability or poor ability to lose it. But the fact is that stress directly affects weight loss, and may be the factor preventing you from continuing to lose weight. Stress and persistent stress lead to increased production of cortisol, a hormone that causes an increase in appetite as well as the storage of excess fat around the abdominal area. Notably diabetes, high cholesterol, and increases inflammation in the body. You need to eliminate stress by following some practices. Most notably, practice yoga for several minutes a day. Exercise breathing and relaxation. Diary writing. Walk through nature. Practice fun hobbies. Regular self-care routines such as hair and skincare routine. Sitting for long periods. It may not be enough for 30 minutes of exercise a day to compensate for the damage done to the body when sitting at the desk without movement for 8 hours or more. It is recommended to stand up every hour to exercise, stretching or walking and moving the body for several minutes. Point of stability, weight and despair at the beginning of the diet, where your brain responds by lowering. Trying to store fat, which slows weight loss, but over time you will return to weight loss. The weight stability phase is a natural and predictable part of long-term weight loss. which is necessary to allow our body time to reset itself before we can continue to lose weight again. Please support my work by upvoting this article, commenting below, and sharing it with your friends. Thank you from the bottom of my heart.